Good morning, students. Welcome back to Kajan Study System. Today, we are here to discuss about the chapter-wise weightage of the class 9 students. Those who are preparing for the exams and doing this session of 9th class. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको फोकस करने की ज़रूरत है सबसे पहले अपनी बैटलफील्ड पर. जिस बैटलफील्ड पर हम लड़ने जा रहे हैं, अगर हमें उसकी पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रॉपर नहीं होगी, हाउ कुड वी प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट? So we are going to prepare the whole strategy and each and every detail for the exams. We don't have to study for 15 hours. We can study smartly 2 hours daily. अगर आप एग्जाम से 10 दिन पहले आप सोचेंगे कि आप 10 घंटे 15 घंटे कंटिन्यू पढ़ के आप एग्जाम्स को क्रैक कर लेंगे, नो, दिस इज नॉट द राइट वे टू डू. Smartly you can study daily only for the 2 or 3 hours. That's enough for you. And this June or summer vacation is a golden period for the students who want to score 95 plus and above. So we discuss here about the chapter wise weightage. First we discuss about the subject maths. आपका first chapter number system, it's the only one chapter contains of 9 marks. Second algebra contains second and fourth chapter. This contains 21 marks. Geometry portion contains 4 marks, that is coordinate geometry. And the chapter 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, these 5 subjects contain 25 marks. Mensuration, that is Hero's formula and surface area, they both chapters contain 15 marks of the total paper. And statistics, that is chapter number 12, statistics is of about 6 marks. So we have to finish our chapters, those who have a higher weightage. Just like if you skip your geometry portion, 5 chapters, not 1-2 चैप्टर नहीं है, 5 चैप्टर्स हैं आपके. अगर आप उन चैप्टर्स को छोड़कर बाकी सारा सब्जेक्ट कवर करते हो तो आउट ऑफ 80 योर 25 मार्क्स को छोड़कर बाकी आपका पूरा पेपर सेट है. एंड दीज आर ओनली 5 चैप्टर्स आर ओनली डिफिकल्ट, और यू कैन टेक से इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट बट इट विल टेक अ फ्यू more time in comparison to other chapters and other topics of the mathematics. These take few more time for you, so leave them in the summer vacations. You can finish all the chapters leaving them these 4 chapters, and you are fully ready to attain your 60 plus marks out of 80 marks. So, and we know that we have MCQs in the paper. We are having very short questions and long answers, and some source based like case studies, and some different 1 to 2 or 3 marks contains these extra topics. So you have to complete these chapters with a great focus and confidence, so you don't lose your marks in the objective type questions like MCQs also. So study, focus. And now we will discuss about the next subject of the class 9th, and that is English. We have 80 marks of the paper and 20 marks about of the assessment of our. We have 2 books, Beehive and Movements for Haryana book. So we have these 2 books contains 40 marks, 17 marks from the Beehive's chapters, like the fun they had, the sound of the music, the little girl. These chapters contain 17 marks, and the poetic part of this book, like the road, note taken, tink, and all the poems contain 11 marks in the paper. And the second book, Movements, it gives you 12 marks in the total paper. So reading these, we have to focus only the main concept of the, just read the chapter carefully. Each and every line have one question, you know. हमें सिर्फ फोकस करना है चैप्टर की समरी पर. जैसे ही हम समरी को कंटेन करेंगे, अपने माइंड में रिवाइव कर लेंगे, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू स्किप इन द एग्जाम्स. अगर हमें समरी बहुत अच्छे से पता है चैप्टर की, और हमें उनके जो मेन वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स है सिर्फ उनको याद करना है, एंड वी अटेन द मिनिमम 37 to 38 marks out of the 40 by doing only this basic rule कि हम उनकी सिर्फ चैप्टर के राइटर्स के नेम, समरी को अच्छे से याद करेंगे. सेम विद द पोएम्स के नाम आपको याद होने चाहिए अच्छे से, एंड द राइटर ऑफ पोएट ऑफ द पोएम आपको पता होने चाहिए कि विच पोएम इज रिटन बाय विच पोएट. बस आपको इतना करना है, एंड यू विल गेट 37 to 38 marks very easily out of the 40 marks. And the next is grammar part. Out of the 40 marks of grammar, we have 20 marks of the reading. And that is reading comprehension, in which I thought rare student who focus on their study will lose your marks. And 30 marks of the writing section, essay, communication, notice, reports, and all these contains your 30 marks. So we have to focus on these subjects. We can finish our books or some topics of the reading also, and I will provide you the screenshot of the total syllabus and the एग्जाम पैटर्न ऑफ द इंग्लिश. सो चलिए मूव करते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट की तरफ, एंड दैट इज सोशल साइंस, विच स्टूडेंट थॉट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट ऑफ योर सिलेबस. सीरियसली इन प्रिपेयरिंग व्यू, but don't take it so much कि हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. Don't lose your confidence on it. You have to boost your confidence. You have to read the chapter line by line, because we have 15 or 20 marks of MCQs. अगर हमें 20 marks के MCQs में अपने marks को 18 to 19 confirm करना है, तो we have to read the chapters line to line. अगर हम line to line नहीं read करेंगे, we miss the important points of the chapter and we lose the marks. And if you read the chapter line by line, you easily you able to solve the questions of 2 marks, 3 marks, long answers and all. आपको आपको सोशल साइंस में आपको सिर्फ एक हैबिट इनबिल्ड करनी है, एंड दैट इज reading the chapter line by line from the NCERT. Don't go here and there, this book, that book. No, we only have to stick on the one book, and that is our NCERT. NCERT is just like a Bible for the exams. You don't have to search for any other books or some easy books and other sources of the to read and to crack the exams. No, just focus on your NCERT. Read them again and again, line to line. Okay, and don't nervous to see the social science, and we easily score 95 plus marks in that exam also. Chaliye, we will move next subject, and that is science. Most interested subject for the students also. So देखिए आपका सब bio, chemistry and physics. Science is already divided in these 3 sections, and from these 3 sections we have to focus on some subject that like matter and nature's endeavor. These chapters contain 20 marks. है ना? I will provide you the food production, ocean and force and other वर्ल्ड चैप्टर्स आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज पता है कि कौन सी यूनिट आपकी कितने मार्क्स की है, तो हिट द हाईएस्ट मार्क्स कंटेनिंग यूनिट्स फर्स्ट. अगर आप अपने आप को सिक्योर कर लेंगे, आप अपने छोटे से छोटे टॉपिक्स को कवर करके इजीली ही आप 95 प्लस मार्क्स इसमें सिक्योर कर सकते हैं. सो हियर आई एम विद यू to provide you the proper guidelines, each and every chapter's notes, one page revision notes, mind maps, and detailed explanation of the chapters. So please like, share and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for achieving the 95% plus score. Have a good day.